Hello friends, welcome to Adivite Tutor. Now this is Drishti Bhartiya. Let us we talk about the NCERT based objectives. So NCERT based objective. So today we started the human reproduction. अब टॉपिक ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन है. सो गाइस हमने बोर्ड एंड चौक पे पूरा ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन का इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट और फर्स्ट पार्ट हमने किया था. सो आपको इजीली प्लेलिस्ट के अंदर मिल जाएगा, आप देख सकते हैं. This is very important for your NEET UG. Important है because NEET UG upcoming 26 July 2020. I hope guys you doing hard work with the patience. So keep it guys. Now we started the topic and अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल और बेल आइकन प्रेस करना मत भूलना, लाइक करना, शेयर करना. और आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ वीडियो योर फ्रेंड्स प्लीज शेयर एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड योर लव वंस. नाउ today's first question. The first question is a secondary sexual character is option 1 breast, 2 ovary, 3 testes, 4 thyroid. So answer is 1 breast. अब now in description अब बात सेक्शुअल secondary sexual character की. We know have the passage the sexual secondary character occupied with the parallel or with the apart from the passages who doing the functions of a particular part of the organ or part of the reproductive organ. So answer is first breast. Now next question, question number 2, which is not a secondary sex organ. Obviously question option 1 is vagina, 2 penis, 3 prostate and 4th is mammary gland. So answer is 4 mammary gland. Now on description, in this question we talk the secondary sex organ but not the secondary sex gland. So that's why the vagina is the organ, penis is also organ, prostate is also organ, but mammary gland is the gland, not the organ. But in question talk about the secondary sex organ. So answer is 4th mammary gland. Now next question, question number 3. Eggs from ovary are released in option 1 oviduct, 2 kidney, 3 ureter and 4th xylem. So answer is 4th xylem. Now on description, we talk about the eggs from the ovary. The ovary are releases the eggs in the form of the ovum. But in the female gamete, we call the ovum is the female gamete, but is actually released from the ovary and they are moving towards the fimbriae, or the fimbriae are occupied in the anterally and medially from the fimbriae. So fimbriae are captured or are catching the ovum from the ovary. So answer is 4th xylem. This is the hollow cavity. Next question, question number 4. Lower narrow end of the uterus is called option A urethra, 2 cervix, 3 clitoris and 4th vulva. So answer is 2 cervix. We all now in description we know the structure of the uterus. In the structure of the uterus, the upper part of the uterus we call the fundus, or we also call the womb, and these womb are narrowly and downwardly moving towards the cervix. So answer is B cervix. Now question number 5th. Germinal epithelium cells are cuboidal and these are found in option 1 testes, 2 ovary, 3 both and 4th none. So answer is 3 both. Now on description, we know the germinal epithelium. The germinal epithelium are obviously to regenerate and to doing the form of new one cell, and they occupy the cuboidal epithelium. This is the form of the cuboidal epithelium. They are found mostly in the reproductive organ. In male is testis and in female in ovary. So answer is both. Next question, question number 6. In the female, which structure is homologous to penis of the male? So option 1 cervix, 2 vagina, 3 uterus, 4th clitoris. So answer is 4th clitoris. Now on description, we know the homologous organ. The homologous organ are structurally and functionally are same behavior. So we know the homologous organ are similar to the male to the female. So penis in male and female is clitoris. Now next question, question number 7. In puberty occurs in females at the age of option 1 8 to 10 years, 2 11 to 14 years, 3 15 to 17 years, and fourth is 18 to 20 years. So answer is 2 11 to 14 years. Now on description, we know the menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle are the beginning in between of the 11 to 14 year in the female. So we call the puberty occurs. So in which the menstruation we mature in the endometrium and the releasing of the ovum from the ovary through the stratum functionalis or the endometrium cells of the uterus. So answer is 2. Next question, question number 8. Mesovarium is a peritoneal fold of option 1 ovary, 2 testes, 3 kidney, 4th liver. So answer is 1 ovary. Now we call the ovarian. So mesoovarium means the mesodermal in the ovarium. So we know the origin of the ovary, we call the mesodermal, in which the peritoneal as well as basal peritoneum folds are there, obviously in occurs ovary. So answer is A. Next question, question number 9. In the capacitation of the sperms is provided by option 1 urethra, 2 vasa deferens, 3 vagina, 4 seminal vesicles. So answer is 3 vagina. Now on description, we know the capacitation is one of the entry. So entry of the sperm is obviously provided in first of all in the vagina. Due to the capacity of the vagina, they are formed this process we call the capacitation. Now question number 10. Degenerative process of follicles or eggs in ovary is called option 1 metagenesis, 2 atresia, 3 regression, and 4th is none. So answer is 2 atresia. Now on description, we know that the degeneration process of the follicle or in the egg in ovary. So we call the atresia is the absence of the cells or absence of the generative cells or absence of the new cells, we call the degenerative processes. So answer is 2 atresia. Now question number 11. The central stroma of ovary is made up of option 1 fibrous connective tissue, 2 adipose connective tissue, 3 reticular tissue, and 4th is none. So answer is fibrous connective tissue. We also call it as WCFCT, white fibrous connective tissue. So the ovary, now in description, the ovary have the 2 part. The inner part we call the medulla. This is filled with the stroma, and the outer one we call the cortex. This is also a stromal or the stromal or the central or the end of the part of the ovary we call the cortex. Now next question, question number 12. Endometrium is lining of option 1 testes, 2 urinary bladder, 3 uterus, and 4th ureter. So answer is 3 uterus. We know the structure of the uterus in the reproductive system. The uterus have occupied with the 3 structure. The first is the fundus, and second of the end of the fundus we call the ampulla and isthmus, and then narrow part we call the cervix. So endometrium is the part of the fundus or the lining of the fundus in the form of the 2 major cells we call the stratum functionalis and another we call the stratum vasi. So stratum vas or stratum vasi is occupied in the lifetime or in through the puberty to the up to the menopause, and the endometrium have the stratum functionalis. They degenerate in after that of the menstruation or other than after the gestation period of the mother. So answer is 3 uterus. Next question, question number 13. The clitoris is present at the upper junction of option 1 labia majora, 2 mons pubis, 3 perineum, and 4th is labia minora. So we answer have the 4th is labia minora. We call now with description we know the perineum have the mons pubis, we also called as cushion cover. They have occupied just below is labia major, and after that the most below lower part we call the labia minora. They occupy the clitoris. The clitoris is also called the finger-like structure. Now, question number 14. Which one of the following is not related to the vulva? So, option 1, mons veneris, 2, clitoris, 3, related perineum, 4th, epididymis. So, answer is 4th, epididymis. Now, on description, we know about the structure of the vulva. These three, mons veneris, clitoris and perineum, they have the part of the vulva, but epididymis is the part of the male reproductive system. So answer is 4th, epididymis. Now question number 15 is the last question today. The ovarian follicles are present in option 1, medulla, 2, germinal epithelium, 3, cortex, 4th, mesovarium. So answer in 3, cortex. Now on description, we know the structure of the ovary. This ovary have the two parts. The inner is medulla M and outer is cortex C. But these ovarian follicle are present in the outer part of the ovary, we call the C, and innermost part we call the medulla. They are filled with the stroma. This is stroma. So answer is C, cortex or 3. So I hope guys you had learned about all the important questions with related to the class 12th NCERT. These all our questions are based on the NCERT. I hope guys you like this video, and after the completion of the video please share with your loved ones and friends, because today's target we have the 1 lakh subscribe, 1 lakh share and 1 lakh like. Please bell icon दबाना मत भूलना. I hope guys you press the bell icon after the subscribe. If you want any doubt in this section or in this video and other than that of the other subject like physics, chemistry and botany and zoology also, if you want any topic to doubt and you want to be learn about in the next video, so please join my WhatsApp number or please send your comment in the comment section. My WhatsApp number is 9424570979. Your support is our power. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.